If you only have part custody, can you make sole medical decisions and educational decisions for that matter regarding your kid? Well, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, the decisions regarding education, regarding medical, those are decisions that are normally shared by the parties, especially in a situation where one person has part of the custody, the physical custody, but legal custody is shared. Can you make medical or educational decisions with only part of the custody? Well, you can make them, but the question is, can you make them without letting the other person weigh in, without taking their opinion into account, and without working out them? The answer is no. If you only have part of the custody and the legal custody, for example, is shared, that means that not the day-to-day stuff. I'm not talking about what little Johnny wears to school. That's generally not going to be a fundamental decision. But in terms of educational or medical, if there's, for example, a procedure that has to be done and you're grappling with whether or not you should do it and you say yeah, the other side says no, you do not have the right to make that unilateral decision. If you can't work it out, you'll have to go to court and have the judge make the decision, and that's what's going to happen. Similarly, if you decide you no longer like the school and you want to pick the child out of that school, throw them into another school, you just can't make that decision on your own when you don't have full legal and full physical custody. In this particular scenario, what we're really talking about is the full legal custody, because the decision making is shared and you can't go and just make that unilateral decision. Now, it could be that the decision that you want will be the decision ultimately endorsed by the court. But in a shared scenario, you're not going to be able to make those decisions unilaterally. You're going to have the other side weigh in. And if you can't get consent for that procedure that you want the child to have, or if you can't agree on to vaccinate or not vaccinate, or to do this or to do that, you know what? You're going to have to go file a motion and have the judge make the call, and maybe it'll work out the way you want anyway, but you still have to follow that procedure. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.